If you are getting a little stiff from sitting at a desk all day and are in need of a quick seated stretch, then you're in the right place because today we're doing chair yoga. If you're new to the channel, I'm Heather and I upload new free yoga classes here every week. So please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. It really helps to support me. Give this video a like, and when you're ready, I'll meet you, well, seated in the chair. Before we begin, let's all scooch to the edge of our seat so that our back isn't lying down here. Our spine is nice and tall sitting up, and our feet are flat on the ground. So if your legs are crossed, make sure that you uncross them first. Hello to my dog lady today for jumping in. And take the left hand forward, palm face out. Take your right hand and go ahead and grab a hold of those left fingers here, just giving it a gentle pull. Nothing too hard, just gentle. And now place that hand, take it down, and grab a hold of the back of that left hand. Great. Now place the right hand forward. Grab a hold of those right fingers with the left hand. And face that right hand down. Grabbing hold of the back with your left hand. Go ahead and release, and just make fists opening and closing here with both hands, just to kind of wake up the hands. Now, keep a left fist, or a fist with your left hand, and go ahead and grab a hold of that left wrist with your right hand. Let's make little circles. So maybe 5 going one direction, and once you get there, switching, going 5 the other direction. And when you're done, making a fist with the right hand, grabbing a hold with the left of that wrist, and doing 5 circles one way, and then the other. All right, shake out the hands, and lean your head to the right. Take the left hand out, open palm here. If this is enough of a side neck stretch for you, you can stay here. If you want to maybe feel it a little bit deeper, you can take that right palm and place it over the left ear. No need to pull, just placing it on the ear should be enough. And gently release, taking it to the other side. So let's come to neutral first, and then lean your head to the left. Take the right palm face out to the other side of you. This is enough. Stay here. To take it a tad deeper, take that left palm and place it over the right ear. Gently release, come back to neutral, and place both hands on the knees. Inhale, send the chest forward, maybe slightly look up. Exhale, draw the chin in, and let's round the back. Inhale, bring the chest forward. Exhale, round. One more time, inhale, open the heart. And exhale, chin in. Come back to neutral. Interlace the hands here, or the fingers. Bring them forward so that your palms are facing forward, and then up high. Let's take a big inhale together, and maybe lift the shoulders a little bit, the whole chest. Exhale, take it to the right. Just gently leaning to the right side for a nice side stretch. On an inhale, bring it back to center. Lift the chest. Exhale, take it to the left. And maybe slightly look up. Inhale, release the fingers from each other. Take both hands up high to the sky. Open up the chest, come into cactus arms. Maybe a slight back bend. And then on an exhale, bring both forearms in, protracting the shoulders. And from here, let's lift that right knee. Grab a hold of that right knee and squeeze it into the chest. Flex through that foot, and let's cross it over the left knee. Really flex through this foot. If you'd like to maybe lean forward a little bit, you might be able to feel a better stretch in here. And you can leave the hands on the hips maybe, or prayer hands, whatever you prefer. All right, let's gently release. Bringing the foot back down, uncrossing. Inhale, send both hands up one more time. Open the chest, come to cactus arms, slight back bend. Exhale, bringing forearms together, coming to protract the shoulders and lift the left knee. Squeeze it into the chest. Flex through that left foot and cross it over the right knee. Staying here if this is enough for you, or maybe leaning in a tad. Gently come up if you were leaning down, uncross the legs, and we're going to take both legs, open them up out to the sides so that your heels are facing in and your toes are facing out. Place both hands on the knees, lean forward maybe a tad, and inhale, big inhale, lift up the chest. Exhale, bring the right shoulder into the midline. On an inhale, come back up to the center, slight lift in the chest. Exhale, bring the left shoulder in. On an inhale, come back up. Rest the right elbow here or forearm on the right thigh. Sorry, can't talk, guys. Inhale, lift the left hand up to the sky. Nice side stretch. And maybe slightly look up. Exhale, let's take it to the other side. So resting our arm here on the left thigh. Inhale, lift up the right arm. And slightly looking up. Come back to center on an inhale. From here, let's take both hands and bring them back in this almost protracted position we had earlier. So our arms are in a 90-degree angle, but just in front of us. Making sure that our hands are straight, pointed up, fingers pointed up towards the ceiling. We're going to take our right arm and cross it under the left so that the backs of our hands are touching. Press those backs of the hands into each other and maybe slightly lift the elbows. Uncross. Let's come back to our neutral. And now take the left hand and arm underneath the right, backs of the hands touching each other. Pressing against each other and maybe gently lift the elbows. And uncross. Take both knees and bring them into the center, taking your entire legs back into where we were in our neutral that we started with. And let's take some shoulder rolls. So inhaling as they come up, exhaling as they fall back. In your own time here. And switch, so the opposite direction. Inhale, bring both hands up to the sky. And exhale, place the right hand on the left knee. Look back for a gentle twist. You can maybe grab a hold of the back of your chair if you're able to with that left hand too. Inhale, let's come back to center and send both hands up high. Maybe look up. Exhale, left hand to right knee, and twist. Come back to center. From here, I invite you to take a brief seated shavasana. If you are feeling it today, I highly recommend it, even if it's just for a minute or even 30 seconds. Maybe just sit here with the hands together in your lap, eyes closed, and focus on your breath for a moment before you get back to the busy day that may lie ahead. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope that you enjoyed this short chair yoga sequence, and let me know how it went for you in the comments below. Namaste, and I'll see you soon, Yogi.